know, Toyosi, I've actually bottled up this for a long time. From the very first time I set my eyes on you, something told me this is going to happen. All I have to say to you right now is that I love you. What are you doing? Hey, move it.
Oh, hi, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Fine. So this is Paul carrying me.
What? Oh, yeah. But, I'm going to make a question, Colin. It's about I'll ask.
Oh, okay.
This girl I met, we jog together every Saturday, and she's tender, beautiful.
I am finally uplifted.
Explain.
You see, to die and to be lifted are two different things. Death is the end of the world. Bonibi is lifted.
Recovery chances is slim go.
Arewa ni hospital by. But you don't have the capacity to go there.